Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to feature a Cherokee by Forest River. This is a 274 RK, stands for rear kitchen. This is one of the best values in the RV industry today. Notice the rear carrier here, that'll fold down. Carries up to 250 pounds in the carry position. This unit has manual stabilizers. It's got a gas electric water heater. It's quick recovery, direct spark ignition, electric awning. Notice the extended gutters. Keeps the side of the camper cleaner. Up there by the clear scare light, big light for lighting up the area in the evening. Position for a TV underneath the awning, stereo speakers. This unit weighs just a tad over 6,600 pounds. Full storage pass-through. Electric tongue jack. Notice the aerodynamics of the front end. It's all aluminum. Diamond plate protection. Another look at the weight stickers. Beautiful colors. Deep slide out, the ram slide mechanism. Take a walk inside. It's a great unit for mom and pop, and also will sleep 6. Nice looking wood shades in the slide room. Dinette with the 40-inch storage drawers. Very attractive vinyl floor. Crack resistant. Nor cold refrigerator. Rear kitchen design gives you the most counter space of any floor plan. Country style sink. Check this out. You won't find this in many. That's a pantry. Additional outlets. Entertainment center with DVD, CD, AM, FM stereo. USB auxiliary. And folks, these are not just swivel rockers, these are recliners. Plenty of light in this unit. Ducted air conditioning. Almost no carpet. Walk around queen bed. Enter the bathroom from tube ways. There's going to be an outlet and a light on each side with an end table. Also sliding door into the bathroom and a solid door into the bedroom. foot flush Dometic stool, fantastic fan, towel racks, again plenty of storage, neo angle shower with skylight for you tall folks. Give us a call today here at Paul Sherry RVs. Numbers on the screen, the email address. Let's get camping.